welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a day in the life home update video. We have a lot of things going on. It is only a couple days before Christmas, so I have to get my wrapping done. I figured I could do a wrap with me. We could kind of like chit chat about like home things in this video, as well as updating some areas in our house. Of course, we do that every single video pretty much. It is countdown to Christmas for real, so I need to get wrapping paper, and I'm gonna basically be showing you like what we got the babies for Christmas, but also a home update in there as well, okay? So don't click out. We're gonna be updating the house. I know you all love those videos, and so do I. It gets me really, really excited. I also wanted to say thank you so much for all the love on the light fixtures in the last video. If you did not see that, I will have it linked up in the cards as well as the description box. And yeah, you guys, so if you wanna hang out with us today, see a home update, see what we get into, then please just keep on watching. So I'm just gonna keep it 100% real. I mean, you know what? I don't even need to preface it like that. This is our garage. These are all Christmas presents. Every box that you see, wait. Oh, Rob, you forgot to break that box down. That was a light fixture. But all of these bags over here, these are all Christmas presents. I asked you all in another video where you keep your Christmas presents, and a lot of you said like under the bed, like in little storage container things, which is great. But we just kept it in the box and kept it in here, and they didn't even notice because the garage is such a mess that it's like nothing. So we're gonna bring all of these toys in, figure out if we need bags, wrapping paper, what, because we ordered these things literally, I want to say like a month and a half ago, and I kind of forget like, you know, the sizes and stuff and what we really need. So we're gonna bring everything in. Roberto, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, that's a singular we.
It's a singular we.
You need to put together the bicycle.
I need a chair.
Okay. Okay, you guys, so I am looking online for wrapping paper, tape. I know this is very last minute. I know, I don't want to hear it.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know. Shout out to those of you who follow us. Look at this. Follow me on Instagram, but saw our reel. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. We did an Instagram reel today actually and posted it. It was really, really funny. So anyway, oh, that's so cute. So Rob is putting together Briella's bike.
We don't like it.
I know, her little bicycle. Okay guys, so my battery is definitely gonna die. It's flashing, but Rob is putting together RG's bike, and I am going to put together the easel. Would it be extra if we spray painted these green parts black? So that's a no.
That's a no. Let them come to that on their own. They're gonna want to paint stuff on their own. You already know.
Actually, it's cute. The color is cute.
Yeah. Oh, this is super easy.
I don't know.
You're gonna be fine.
Alright y'all, new camera, who dis? Can't use my pointer finger because I have a little cut on my pointer finger, so it's making this a little difficult. This is Parent Life. Oop, another package.
Are you expecting something?
Always.
No, I am.
It's only because you are? What?
How many times do I order from the same place?
No, it's because they shipped it in different shipments. Okay,
weird.
watch your toe. Sir, come in here and show these people what I got.
You're getting distracted.
Don't leave my girls hanging like that. What's in the bag?
I don't know. I hope it ain't enough for me.
It's not. From Express? I never buy these clothes from Express.
Looks like pants.
Woo! They can't see you, Robert.
These are the pants, y'all. Very comfortable.
Ooh, oh, they're soft.
Very soft.
Okay. Okay, moving on to the other side. This is how the easel is looking so far. I'm pretty proud of my work here. Rob, what do you think?
Almost there.
Yep, almost there. How's your bike coming along?
Almost done. Gotta put the pedals on after this.
Aww. Are you gonna ride it?
Yeah, right.
You have anything you want to say to the people?
Appreciate the time you have, the time you spend. If they get on your nerves, that's fine. They're supposed to. They're children.
Our kids be getting on our nerves too.
All day.
Okay.
It's all good.
That's what I kind of had to come to realize, that like, you know what, there's never gonna be a day. Okay, this sounds crazy, but it helps me to know that, you know what, it's all about how I react. Yes, there's instances where RG gets on my last nerve, but there's always gonna be instances where RG gets on my last nerve because he's not mature. He's not a mature 30-year-old on the same level as I am. Right. You know what I mean? So I just had to like kind of get past that and be like, you know what, like this is where he is mentally. What can you expect?
Right, exactly.
So that is how I kind of stop myself from getting like mad at him, because it's like he's not my age. Like, why am I getting like big mad at this little person? I'm trying to be like, you know what, like we're trying to raise kids that they're not going to need therapy from the childhood.
Exactly. So that's the goal.
I feel like we're kind of more like lenient parents and kind of, you know, like we're not too hard on them.
No, but at the same time, we gotta teach them.
Right.
Well, I think it's important to teach through experience, and sometimes that experience requires letting go a little bit.
Yeah. Archie was at his last doctor's appointment at 3 years old, and he was just so well-mannered and polite and calm and quiet. I'm like, who is this kid? Because of, you know, everything going on in the world, we weren't able to like really go out.
Right.
And take him places and take him to exposure. So we rarely see him in situations where he's out of the home element. So seeing him like that and seeing him just being like quiet, I don't know, it was like seeing a completely different child. And I was like, wow, we're doing a good job. He might be hype and crazy here with us, but Rob, right? Wouldn't you agree that like every time we go out somewhere, not every time, sometimes he, you know, he gets irritable.
Yeah.
But most of the time when we go out places, he's like right next to us, like, you know, calm. Like he's a completely different RG than who you all see on camera. You all see the real RG, you know, but he's not like that. You know, like even when we went to the park and there were those other kids, like he just kind of was like watching them play and shy. I'm like, since when? So we're doing good, Rob. We're doing good. You guys, hang in there. We're doing good.
A+ so far.
Parenting is one of those things you don't really know if you're doing it right until it's like time to perform. And it's like, okay, they're in school. How did I do up until now? Did I do it right or not?
I saw a meme, it was like, when you get upset because your child brought home, when your child gets a 0 on a test that you helped them prepare for or something like that. It was their homework, that's what it was. You helped your kid on their homework or project and they get a 0, you're gonna be upset.
Okay, moving on. Wait, it didn't come with paper? Oh yeah, it did. I'm about to say, don't play with me. You guys, this is just the reality. I don't want to just film something just because when I'm stressed about the holidays.
Exactly.
Christmas is in a couple days, okay? We a little bit busy. Oh, cute.
Yeah, very cute.
Okay.
Little man can be riding on my car.
I know. I'm just looking forward to putting everything under the tree and seeing his bike with a bow on it. Like that to me will be like sealing the deal. Like, oh my gosh, my son has a bike. That's kind of crazy. Okay, it's sturdy now. How's it going over there with the bike? I feel like, I was gonna say, I feel like we should be playing a game right now because we're on separate sides and I can't see you.
Oh yeah.
Like we could be playing a game like, okay, let's play a guessing game.
Okay.
How many fingers am I holding up? And you can't look at the camera. Did you just look?
I can't see how many.
Are you serious?
Do it again.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
3.
No.
4.
Yeah, 4. Okay, your turn.
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Close.
1.
Yes.
Okay. That was fun.
Yeah. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. RG on a bike.
RG on a bike. Where are you going, RG? Please wait for me. Instead of Bear on a bike.
Yeah.
Do y'all know how to do this cup thing? The cup, clap, clap, with the cups. We did that in summer camp. That's where I learned it from. Is this not supposed to click in? Oh.
What it do, baby? It's Paul Walrus. I don't know. Here looks crazy. Anywho, right now I'm getting ready to fix RG's shelf. As you guys may have saw from the last couple of videos, the wall. Here, let me just show you. That right there is a mistake.
Okay, I used the anchor that came with the shelf, but the anchor is too big, therefore it gave weight inside of the drywall. You know what I'm trying to say. The shelf almost fell out when Carrot touched it. So we're gonna redo that, and we're also gonna put up another shelf underneath it so that I can have 2 shelves on one wall, and that way we can have 3 all together. All right, let's do this. Like the video. Nice and even. All right, that is how you do a second shelf.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you the progress on the man cave. We have the leftover light fixture in here. You guys, this room is so dark. I honestly, like, that light did absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go over here and show you everything. Hopefully the lighting's okay, but this is Rob's desk. Oh, let me not show you his notebook. But anyway, so this is Rob's desk with the chair. Obviously nothing in here is like super permanent just yet. I mean, we don't even have a couch or a TV. So the setup is gonna look pretty different once we get everything situated in this room. He has one of his posters up on the wall. He's had this for a long time. We just put thumbtacks just for the time being to make it a little bit more, you know, like Rob's vibe. So yeah, I mean, that might not stay, it might, but I just wanted to show you like how it's looking right now with the desk. We might put the desk in the middle. I mean, we don't know. We're just like playing around with it. This is how he wanted his curtains. Don't say nothing about the curtains in the comments. This is what he wanted. This is what he got. So this is the gaming chair that we went with. I linked it in the last video. I'll link it again. Looks like this. Probably should have had Rob do this part, but yeah, I just wanted to quickly come in here and show you what his man cave is looking like. This chair, I don't know, for some reason, it reminds me of like a villain's chair. Like it looks very like, I don't know, Star Wars, Darth Vader, something about it is like a vibe, but it's cool. It's pretty comfortable. I sat in it. So yeah, this is what we're working with. We're gonna move that light fixture into the attic, and yeah, we're obviously gonna do some stuff with the closet. I told Rob about all the suggestions you all left underneath the, I can't remember what video it was, where we started the man cave and we painted the closet in here black. And a lot of you all suggested that we do a bar in here, which I think would look really, really cool if we did like some lighting in here with like, you know, some bottles and like glasses and things like that. But the thing is, Rob and I really aren't drinkers like that. And okay, yes, this is Rob's room. Rob is not really a drinker like that either. Neither of us really are. So he really wouldn't get used a bar in here. So instead, I think we're gonna stick with the arcade, but I mean, that's not any time soon. We could change our mind. If he wants something different, it's up to him. But he's like, that would look cool, but like, he's not gonna just be up here drinking like that. Like, he doesn't really do stuff like that. So yeah, maybe a little mini fridge. Someone suggested a mini fridge, which I think would be awesome to keep like sodas. Like, he loves root beer. We could have like root beer in there, like even like regular beer. Like if you wanted a beer sometimes, like that could be cool. I feel like he would get more use out of that, and having like, I don't know, because I even said, do you want snacks in here? He doesn't even want to eat in here, but we'll see how long that lasts. Like, you know, when something's new, you want to keep it as nice as you can, and I'm not eating in my car, I'm not doing this. But then like as time passes, you're like, I mean, one snack won't hurt. So we'll see, but this is what it's looking like, and I love it. I'm so happy for Rob. Okay, you guys, so I look like this because, hey, come on, Bree, come over here with Mama. I just got back from physical therapy, and obviously I wanted to wear something that I could like move in. So we got something in the mail. We're gonna do a little unboxing. I feel like in every video I do an unboxing in like a different area just to switch it up. Hey, you wanna be in the video too? Yes! Okay, so let's open this. I already know what it is, but I'll leave a little bit of element of surprise for y'all. Okay, so this is a play mat for the playroom.
Wow.
You guys probably can just play with that box.
Open it.
Can you rip that? This will give you some practice for Christmas when you open presents.
Wow.
What is that?
What's it?
What are those?
What's it? A rainbow.
Rainbows.
Oh,
job. Okay, this is a mat for the playroom. Are you excited about this mat? Whoa, this is big. Okay, we went with the midi plus because I thought, you know, it would look good over here, but we'll see. I hope this isn't too big. So it's like this cream color and it has little rainbows, very neutral, very tonal. You all know we're all about the tones. RG, say we're all about the tones.
I want the phone.
All about the tones, that's right. Let's lay it out. You wanna lay it out on the floor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow.
Wow, what do you think?
It's lots of rainbows.
Lots of rainbows, yeah. But this is what the mat looks like. It's not gonna stay in this spot, but my babies are here and this is, you know, where they ended up. I love the little neutral rainbows, very, very cute. I will link this down below. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put it like in the middle right here, put that desk on top maybe, and yeah, it'll be really, really cute. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, say give it a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up.
Good job. Yep, thumbs up, good. All right, you guys, so we are gonna end the vlog here. The babies have their snack over there, and we are about to put on a little movie. I think we're watching Frozen, so that'll be fun. But I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And Happy Holidays.
Happy holidays.
From us to you all. Hopefully that wasn't too cheesy, but we love you guys so much and hope you all enjoy your holidays. Hope you get everything on that wish list and more. And yeah, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.